Hey you guys, it's Melanie and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less. Well, I am going to start a stay home with me, so hashtag stay home, hashtag with me series to kind of share with you guys what I'm doing in real time, in real life during this quarantine. So behind me is my, the very first entertainment closet that I did here on YouTube. I don't know if you guys remember this closet or not, but it's probably been that long since I've actually visited this closet and kept it organized. I just wanted to keep it real and show you guys what it really looks like. And a lot of this stuff needs to come out. I'm going to donate a lot of it to our ministry. Some of it I'm going to put, you know, with my other event planning things. And then the things that I use at home, I'm going to actually move them to the kitchen. So the things that I use the most here, I'm going to move it to the kitchen and turn this closet into maybe my shoe closet. So that I can access my shoes easier and see them easier. So this is something I've been wanting to do for a while, but I just haven't had the time. So here we go. I hope you guys enjoy this process, enjoy me cleaning with me, enjoy staying home with me, and enjoy these very candid videos as I share with you guys how I am using my time during the quarantine and during the stay-at-home challenge. And I hope that it inspires you guys to get some spaces in your home that you've been wanting to get together for a while and organize for a while together. So we're gonna get started. So first up is going to be my entertainment closet. So let's hop right in. So all of these pieces right here, I got these from Tuesday morning years ago when they were like 90% off, and I paid, like, these were $5.99. I paid 59 cents for these sets, and I have used them for events. And of course I told you guys the best way to store things like this is to store them in the boxes. This is my very first vlogging camera for YouTube that I have not used. I didn't even know I still had the thing. So I'm going to get all these things together, and I will probably, these items, these are going to be used for event planning items. So I'm going to get those together and get those out of the way. And then as I'm running across any trash or anything like that, I'm just going to simply throw the trash away. So I have the trash can there, and I'm just going to try to group everything together. So all the black and white stuff together, then I'll come back and get all the nautical pieces as well. So I'll keep you guys abreast. Like, here's some black and white stuff here. I have some little Easter bunny stuff, and you guys have seen me use these things in tablescapes. I also had these candles that I was using. I got them at the 90% off sale at Target. I'll link that video for any of you guys who may have missed it. But I had done like these Luxe Bride candles. So I hope the lighting is good in here. You guys can see kind of what's going on. But I will keep you up to date on the entire process. I'm just going to clean all of this out. And then once I clean it out and start organizing the shoes, I'll show you guys that process as well. Okay, so let's get started.
You got that something that can't be seen. You got that one thing that's hard to come by. It's not your styling, it's not your jeans. No, what you got is deeper within. And your friends don't even know what you got. They just hang with you cause you earn a lot. You should lose them all and start hanging with me, cause I'm the only one who can see. I don't need.
So here is a Pandora bracelet that somebody gave me for Christmas, and I could not find the darn thing. Here it is. Here it is. So here's a good reason to clean your stuff out, because you find things that you've been looking for that you have no clue where they are. So it's like being on a treasure hunt. It really is. So here's an award from when I was working I was a quality expert, so I got an award for some work that I had done at work. Not quite sure what I'm going to do with it. I'm going to hold on to it. I just don't know where it's going to fit in terms of, you know, decor. These pieces I'll probably leave here at the house, the gold and white. Beautiful pieces. So we'll see. Now, you know, occasionally when you're doing this type of cleaning, you know, you find some bittersweet things. And this was a pair of candlesticks, some Shannon crystal candlesticks that I got for our wedding. I use them a lot in tablescapes and different events. I got them from dealers. They were $35 and 50% off of that. I think I want to keep the style number to see if I can find them again. But they got broke at an event. So I'm going to take a picture of this style number right here really quickly, and then I'll recycle the box. Another thing I ran across that was bittersweet to me, the Ultimate Prayer Guide. Is like, y'all know I love to pray, and this is a book I've been looking for a minute by Dutch Sheets, so I could add this back in my collection of prayer books, and I didn't get to use this one as much. And then a while ago I told you guys the Ross 49-cent sale thing that was really big and really trending the beginning of this year. I told you guys I was not new to the game. I was true to the game. And just to prove that to you, I still have these Michael Kors iPad cases that I found at Ross for 49 cents. Can y'all see that? 49 cents at Ross, all those many years ago. So I've been doing this, okay? I still had 3 of those left, kind of like my little treasure. So anyway, back to pulling out more stuff. This is so cute. So this little necklace, I don't forgot what you call these. They were like the bobble necklaces. They were really popular. Had been looking for this. Just found it. Here's the little thing. It was a gift. Y'all know I don't do right. So I'm happy I found that. I'm going to put it on my neck. I also came across this blue and yellow set that is cute, especially for like a baby shower. I think I used this for a duck baby shower that was like blue and yellow, and haven't used it since. So we're gonna pull all these things out so that I can see them in my inventory, and hopefully, you know, because I see them, I will use them more.
Your dreamy eyes, no, I don't need your pretty smile, your pretty smile, no, I just want your perfect mind, yeah, that's all I really need. The things you're saying, it blows my mind, the way you're thinking, it's hard to keep up, you got that beauty, and all the brain, yeah, what you got is deeper within. Your friends don't even know what you got. They just hang with you cause you earn a lot. You should lose them all and start hanging with me, cause I'm the only one who can see. I don't need your dreamy eyes, no, I don't need your pretty smile, no, I just want your perfect mind.
Okay, you guys, so we have this shelf right here completely clean. Now I need to start working on the bottom. I do use a lot of this at home, but I just feel like just having it all in one space will be better. And most of the time when I use it, it's like around the holidays. So this is like my things that I use on a buffet and things like that. I like to keep them in the boxes. So I'm gonna, you know, get all of this out. I did have a couple of bags and things like that shoved in the corner. I don't know what this is about. I had a little miniature bank safe. Why I needed that, I don't know. Some little socks. Just, Lord help me Jesus. Little gold bags. Just junk. And a first aid kit. So that might come in handy. I don't know why I have so many band-aids. Let me show you guys this. I have a ton of, this is my desk, my office, by the way. It's a hot mess. But we are quarantined. We have time. We got time for this. So I have all these different kind of band-aids and things like that. And first aid kits. in care packs. So I guess I have found a good sale. So I got a whole little cute thing. So we'll make us a first aid kit while we're at home too.
Perfect mind, yeah, that's all I really need. I don't need your edgy style, no. I don't need your hang-arounds, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah, that's all I really need. If I might say, you light up my day so bright. You show me your way, and I'm no match for you. No, I'm no match for you. Ooh, I don't need your dreamy eyes, no. I don't need your pretty smile, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. I don't need your edgy style, no. I don't need your hang-arounds, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need.
All right, you guys. Whew. Okay, so we are done with part one. One thing I want to share with you guys, I know you're like, Melanie, that is a lot of stuff. I know it's a lot of stuff, but you guys have to remember that I am an event planner, and we also do things, a lot of entertaining in the ministry. I also, you know, when you find unique pieces for the prices that I pay for these pieces, you definitely want to grab them. I was telling you guys I had a watermelon themed birthday party, first birthday party that is coming up in August. And I got this from Tuesday Morning for $1.19. And it's a watermelon cake plate. I don't want to take it out. But anyway, all these years I never used it. It's still new in the package, but I'm gonna be able to use it for this particular birthday party. It's really cute. I'll show you the pieces that kind of match it that are out. This cute little chip and dip watermelon chip and dip set. It was 99 cents. And see, this is how I can have luxurious events for less and pass those savings on to my customers. This is a little dessert plate that I can put, you know, on display, and I paid 59 cents for that. And then I have like the little watermelon and ant spreaders. These were also 59 cents. And then these are some strawberry plates, but because they're the same color, they will blend as well. So that party is not scheduled to August, so hopefully and prayerfully things will have turned around by then. I also have a dinosaur party coming up. And how cute are these dinosaur appetizer plates? Never use these. Maybe use these once. Or maybe I bought these for my friend Alicia's son, who used to love dinosaurs. But anyway, they have like a little dinosaur with a birthday candle on them. That is really super cute. And then the serving platters, they were 99 cents each. They do need to be cleaned up, but how cute are those? So this is like kind of why I shop off season and when I find an amazing sale, so you can stay ready, so you don't have to get ready and you don't spend like a ton of your money trying to secure inventory. I don't even know if you can find this stuff now. I bought this stuff like years and years ago. You have to go back and look at some of my old haul videos. Like all the stuff that's trending now, I did when I first got on YouTube. And then I acquired so much stuff, as you guys can see. I just stopped buying entertainment pieces and things like that. Like I buy dishes, but as far as like, you know, display and dessert stands and things like that, like I had to cut a lot of that out because I had basically collected everything. So It is now 12:15. I'm going to put these things in the garage so that I can get them all organized in the storage. And yeah, it's a lot. So I'm going to go ahead and sit these out in the garage. And the good thing about staying at home is that we can work at our own pace. We don't have to worry about folks coming over and things looking a mess, because that is not going to matter. Because nobody's coming over anyway. So we're going to put these things out in the garage and figure out a plan to convert this once upon a time entertainment closet into a shoe closet. So I know tonight's vlog has been super long, but I just kind of wanted to do real time. I hope you guys enjoy this style. If you do, let me know down in the comments below. And I'll see you at the next one. Bye bye, you guys.
Oh, we're living in the present. But our mind is in the past. Not knowing what we'll lose. Don't know what will last. Yeah, the things you always dare to dream, oh, are not always what they seem. Close to total peace as the pain begins to ease. Not often we can see the beauty in the pain. Not often we can see the value that we gain. Now listen, little one, the wounds will heal in time. I know it weighs a ton, but baby, you'll be fine. You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine. You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine. Start living for the moment. Letting go of the past. Yeah. Start cherishing what you hold dear, and we will make it last. Not often we can see the beauty in the pain. Not often we can see the value that we gain.